Welcome to Palawan Waterpark by Astoria, Puerto Princesa's largest water park.
This aquatic playground is a perfect destination for all ages, whether you're a thrill seeker who enjoys gigantic water slides or a laid-back traveler wanting to relax under the sun. This water park has it all. Before trying their Velocity water slide, the staff briefed me first about their safety guidelines. I was so excited and nervous at the same time. They also have their Surfs Up pool, ready for your safe splashdowns. As expected, it was so fun and thrilling. I was also fascinated with the St. Paul River ride. Here, I basked in the tranquil ambiance of the place while sitting on a colorful floater. I loved their marine sanctuary and Batak Misters too. They have these gigantic statues, perfect for creative shots. They also have this tumbling buckets zone with multiple slides and a giant water dumping bucket, built for both kids and kids at heart. But the best part? Regular AVLCI members who are booked at Astoria Palawan using their holiday entitlement, mini break, or gift certificate get one-time access to Palawan Waterpark, while premium members get unlimited access throughout their stay.
What are you waiting for? Book your next tropical escape here and experience fun aquatic adventures only here at Palawan Waterpark by Astoria.